Okay, hi class. This is an example of classifying a triangle. Here they give you 3 points, A, B, and C, which I drew on the graph. It says that A is at -2, 5. So I just started in the middle and I went -2, 5. Okay, that's how you graph. And then what we need to do to determine what type of triangle, ¿qué tipo de triángulo es aquí? We need to find the lengths of all the sides. Necesitamos longitudes para todos lados. And we need the slopes of the lines. The slopes will help us determine if it is a right triangle or not. Okay, so now here I'm looking at first side AB. Now, to do this, we need to use the distance formula. Okay, so remember, this is X and this is Y. X and Y, X and Y. We'll start with side AB. So we are going to have the square root of x2. I'm going to take that from B, minus x1 from A, minus -2, changes to a positive, minus negative, remember. And then y2 minus y1. Okay, now that I have this set up, 3 plus 2 is 5. -2 minus 5. If you need help, you can use your calculator. I'm just using the one on my phone. So -2 minus 5. I have -2 minus 5 is -7. So this is plus -7 squared. And I'm just going to leave that -7 there, and to square it, you see this button, x squared. So that's 49. And 5 squared is 25. So if I add 25 plus 49, I get 74. And I'm just going to leave it like that, because I know I'm going to get a decimal. This is the square root button. It's like 8.6. I'm going to leave it as square root of 74. So I know that AB, the length is square root of 74. And then you do the same process for BC and CA. I'm just going to do that quickly here. So I'm using the distance formula, x2 minus x1. Sorry, I'll pull that down for you if you need to see these. y2 minus y1. I got square root of 50, and I'm just going to leave it like that. So I know that this side is square root of 50. And then for this last side, I don't even have to do distance formula because I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and remember, I know that this is like 8.6 or something, and if you wanted to check square root of 50, you just type in 50, take the square root, 7.07. So I noticed that all of these sides, we have square root of 74, square root of 50, and 12. They're all different. So I know that this triangle, if I go back to what we learned about the triangles, all sides, let's see here, all sides different lengths, that is a scalene triangle. So I know that this triangle is scalene. And I also know that this angle and this angle are acute. Acute means less than 90 degrees, más pequeño que 90 grados. And now I need to find this angle. So that means I need the slope of AB and BC to see if they are perpendicular or make a right angle. So I'm just going to find the slope by counting. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me do rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that was a negative slope. So negative 7 over 5. And let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's positive. So these two are not parallel and they're not perpendicular. So that means this is not a right angle. And it doesn't look like more than 90 degrees. I'm going to say this is less than 90 degrees. So this is acute also, because all three sides, all three angles, all angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, if you want to try one on your own, you can pause the video and try this one. And you can try this one.